Hi, and welcome to the 7th grade science curriculum night presentation for Bailey Middle School. My name is Jennifer Selfridge, and I'm the one in glasses on the right. And I'm going to share with you some information about our curriculum and how we can work together as a team to help your children be as successful as possible. This year, there are 4 7th grade science teachers. There is Julie Gentile, Angie Isaacs, Jennifer Selfridge, and Heather Stewart. We have more years in education than I would care to share, and have all been at Bailey for the past several years. Our 7th grade science curriculum divides pretty nicely by quarter. First quarter, as you may have noticed, is a focus on weather and atmosphere, and we will be finishing that unit towards the end of October. Second quarter is a focus on life science. We look at cells, organelle function, simple celled organisms like protists, and then we build up into looking at tissues and organ systems in the human body with an emphasis on structure and function and how different systems work together. Third quarter is also life science, but it's more of a genetics and heredity focus. And fourth quarter, we move into our physical science unit, which is on forces and motion and energy. This unit has more of a math connection than our earlier units do. Our grading policy is the standard Bailey policy, where 65% of your grade comes from test or projects. We have 4 per quarter. It's either 4 tests in a quarter or it's 3 tests and a project. The remaining parts of the grade, so 35%, comes from informal assessments, which this year are assignments that are given in Canvas. This year, pretty much all of our coursework is coming through Canvas in the form of weekly modules. And of the assignments that we do each week, approximately 3 to 4 per week are selected to be put into PowerSchool, which is their official grade. Some additional information: if a student is absent or has missing work, Canvas is the place to go to find that information and to submit it. Student responsibility: we encourage them to check their CMS email regularly and to also check their Canvas inboxes to see if there's any communication from teachers. Canvas, again, is the place for the student to look to make sure that they have all of their assignments in. And if either the student or the teacher or the parent notices that something's not quite right, we encourage the parents and students to work together as a team prior to reaching out to the teacher. Teacher responsibility is to make sure that we update our grades in PowerSchool weekly. So while there are a lot of grades in Canvas, PowerSchool is the official grading record. So Canvas is kind of a good place to start, but you don't want to only pay attention to Canvas and you don't want to only pay attention to PowerSchool. Together, they give you the full picture of what is going on academically. Some other suggestions for parents would be to sign up as an observer in Canvas. You can see directions on how to do that on the Bailey website. And to see the Canvas course for each of your child's classes to find specific information for that teacher about communication. So for example, a lot of teachers use the Remind texting app, and so you could find out how you could sign up to receive those messages from the teacher and any other communication tools they may be using. If you have any questions, please email your teacher. There is an email directory available on that Bailey website. And this year they also have a lot of really good technology how-to information on the website as well. It's a pretty great resource as we are figuring all this out together this year. So thank you, and please reach out with any questions, and we hope you have a great school year.